Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the four spheres. The geosphere, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the biosphere. Today we're going to start with the biosphere. Bio in Greek form means life. So that means that everything living, like plants, that spider over there, the trees, and this village. This village is a biosphere, just like their farm. I don't think there's any villagers here though. Villagers. This is their home. This is where they live. Their life. And there's a chicken and cow, which explains the geosphere. Biosphere. So, the way anything that lives or dies is a part of the biosphere. Just like I'm about to kill you. Sorry, little guy. So, now we're going to move on to the geosphere. The geosphere is the opposite of biosphere. Geo is non-living and rocks. So if you go at least right over here, the sand does not live, and there's rock. When there's caves, that is the geosphere. Like right here is not living, because it's just, they're not living, they're just dead zombies. They're not living. Nope. So that is the geosphere. And there's one more thing. And the last thing is the core. And the core is over here. The core is in the middle of the earth. Right over here. As you can see, this is the core, because this is bedrock, and the core is what keeps the earth warm, keeps us living. And there's something about, that's the geosphere. Now, we're going to move on to the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is water. Just water. So, it is in the soil, it's in everywhere. For example, it is under the ground, right here. See the water rising over here? That makes the plants grow. And 71% of the earth is covered with the water. And there's only 29% of the earth of land. here's the oceans out here, and the lakes are over here. And the lakes are over here. And the lakes right here. And what happens over time, the rocks, if they were in the middle of this, they would get pushed down by the rain, called erosion. Makes a little path that is called the river. So, and 96.6 of the ocean, of the water system, is covered with the ocean. So, let's go to the atmosphere. So, the atmosphere is the layers of there are 4 different layers. There is, the troposphere is the first one to go up to. So the troposphere is like right here, where the cloud is, where the clouds are, where the water evaporates, where the water and makes the water cycle again. So if we go even higher, we see this little white line right here. We'll pass it in just a moment. And right here, this is we have hit the stratosphere. Well, just a little bit higher. Yeah, the stratosphere. Stratosphere is kind of hard to breathe through, because it's every time the higher we go, the more oxygen we're losing. So now let's go up to the mesosphere. We're almost done. As soon as we reach up here, right about here. This is the mesosphere. So the mesosphere is extremely hard to breathe through, and now we're going to the vacuum of space, which is called the thermosphere. Hold on, it's usually dark in space. Okay, let's go up. And this is the stratosphere, where it's deep vacuum of space, where there is no oxygen at all. And once you leave, this is the last place you can go until you leave Earth's gravity. So that's all. This is all of the 4 the 4 spheres of the Earth that makes us live. And the water. And that is my presentation.